So welcome back everyone. In this video I will be writing a C program to accept a number from user, and we will be printing the same number on the output screen. Alright, so let's start. So I will be starting my program with a comment, that is a single line comment, that is program to accept a number from user and display display the number as output. Okay, and display the same number as output. Okay, so we will be including the stdio.h library so with the help of preprocessor. So hashtag include is the preprocessor out here, and this will include the stdio.h library, that is a standard input output library. Okay, now we will be defining the main function. Since the execution of the C program starts from main function onwards, and since our function is not going to return any value, so we will be defining our function as void main. Okay, and we will be defining a variable, alright, in order to store the number whichsoever will be given to us by the user. So okay, so define a variable that is number only. So this is the number out here is the variable name, and int is the data type. Int is the data type of that variable. Alright, so let me comment this too. Int is the data type. Int is the data type, and number is the variable name. Alright, I think you got the idea. Now what we will be doing, we will be using the scanf function of stdio.h to accept the number of user, but before that we will have to give the message that print the number. So how we will print that message? For printing anything on the output screen, we use the function that is printf. So use the function printf of stdio.h library, that is, and enter the message, that is enter the number please. Okay, and I will be using a special character out here, that is /n. What this will do for us is that after printing this line, the cursor will move to the next line. Alright, so okay, so I will be commenting this too, that is /n is used for new line. Okay, now once the user will see this message, that is enter the number, I will give a number. Alright, but how we will accept that number? So in order to accept that number, we will have to use the function that is scanf of stdio.h library. And how we will accept that number? So %d and n% number. So what this will do for us is that the number whichsoever will be given to us by the user will get stored in this variable, that is number. Alright, now in order to print that number, we will once again use the printf function of that stdio.h library. So printf number is %d. So %d will be replaced by the number. Alright, so this is a format specifier. So number, okay, number. Now in order to watch the output of this program, we will have to compile this, and before compiling we will have to save this. So first of all, save this file, save as input output, give the name input. I will give you the name input output, and make sure to save this file as .c extension. Okay, and you can give any name out here, but make sure to give meaningful name. Now the next thing which we will be doing is that we will be compiling, that is compile and run. So enter the number please, 23, and the number is 23. This is what we were supposed to do, like the user is going to give us some number, and we will have to print the same number on the output screen. So I think the task has been done. So that's all for this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and comment if you have any doubt, and subscribe to my channel for this type of content. Thank you once again for watching this video.